Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to use Incognito Mode on Safari browser. We all know what Incognito Mode is. On Chrome, to simply go to Incognito Mode, you click on the three dots at the bottom right corner and click on New Incognito tab. This way, your browser history won't be saved, cookies and site data information entered in forums won't be saved. Once you go out, it will delete everything. And what if you want to do that with Safari browser? This is how to do it. Go to a Safari browser and click on the three dots at the bottom right corner. Now click on New Private tab. It will take you to a private tab, which is basically Incognito Mode on Chrome. It says after you close the tab, Safari won't remember the page you visited, your search history, or your autofill information. Everything will be deleted once you leave Safari. So this is how you use Incognito tab on Safari browser. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.